Everyone, this is Caustic John with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make a Kendrick Lamar type beat. So I will looking forward into one of these projects because I'm a big fan of Kendrick Lamar and I'm waiting for his new album, still now not yet come. So I'll change the tempo to 140 because I'm taking a loop from a sample pack inspired by Kendrick Lamar. So this is the loop. Just kind of a DNA version over there. So these loops and the kits I'm taking for this is made by Cymatics, and for now it is free. They are selling it for free. The original price is $35 and now it's for free. So I recommend you to check it out. The link is given in the description given below. So now I'll just save it, increase its velocity and then put it over. So it's working. Now I'll take that same loop and put it in another instrument and rename it as loop 2 because I'm going to reduce one of its octave by using pitch and time, and then I'll paste it over here also, and then this is how if one of its octave is reduced. So as usual a glitch voice is coming. So in the previous tutorial I told you how to fix it, so I'll be doing the same thing here also. So now I made the loop. Now I'll take the beats. So now I'll take hi-hat pattern. So I have one kit for this, and this is the one. I'll just change the hi-hat. So this is the one. So now the thing about Kendrick Lamar's song is that the hi-hat has a good rhythm because that's the way it's made, and it's easy to do in FL Studio, but it's not that easy to measure it out in Caustic 3. But still, if you want to learn how it's done, then just note its pattern. I'll take the grid and put in the last, and then make the higher pattern through all the bars. It's kind of complicated. So I'll just fill the notes over there, and I got one good rhythm. So I'll just fill it in the last bar, and then I'll just copy it and do some adjustment in the third and the fourth measure. So over here I'll add one more note. So that goes in a good flow. So this is how the specialty of Kendrick Lamar's hats is that it's just a clicky voice. It's not that complicated. It's not that very lengthy and some basic pattern. It's just a clicky voice. So now I'll put the crash. I'll just decrease its volume. It's too loud. and then put the open hi-hat over here, and in the third measure I'll put it over here. So I don't want that crash to be very lengthy, so I'll just decay its voice over there up to half over here. So now comes the awesome clap. Put the clap over there and make one perk voice over here. One over here too. So I put the perk and the clap. Now I'll put the snare layering with the clap, and then put one snare over here and over here. So I'm not layering the clap with the snare. So in the fourth measure I'll do it up to here. So that sounds good. Now the kick. Put that over here and copy the kick pattern in the third and the fourth measure, and do one adjustment in the third measure. So I got my kick pattern. Now I'll just copy this and put it in the second time, and in the fourth measure I'll put one more kick over there, and then I'll just make the beats. So I'll amplify the hi-hat a little more louder so that it can be heard properly with the beats. So that's the pattern. Now I'll put an awesome 808 with the beats. So I'll follow the 808 with the kick pattern's rhythm. That's more basic. So I'll first of all take my 808. So I'll take that, and then increase its octave, and then decrease it. Sounds, this is good. And I'll do with the second note over here too. So I'll just copy this and paste it in the second bar. And follow the kick pattern's rhythm. So when the double kick patterns comes in the last, a good rhythm will be followed and the 808 pattern can be heard properly. That's the reason I put it in the high note. So that's done with the 808 and the kick. So now this is the final result. So as usual the 808 can be heard nicely. Now I'll put an awesome effect, kind of a down lifter and all. So I'll put this lifter. So that can be heard in most of Kendrick Lamar's songs too. So let me just check whether it fits in. So that fits in. So I put that lifter. Now I'll put one glass effect over there. That's sufficient. Change its volume to 120. This one also 120. So now our song is ready, and I'll just have to make the pattern. So I'll just make the pattern as well. So I made the song. This is the song. Enjoy it. So that's a song. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.